Welcome back, my friends. This is Rozani. Let's have some fun. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make papier mâché beads using tattered tidbits. Now these are all leftover pieces of scrap paper from different projects, but it all starts with a skewer like this one. And in order to get this bead, you need to stay tuned because it's very easy. Because the next supply that we're going to need will be scrap paper. Now we're going to have many colors to choose from here. But to get the shape started, I'm going to use something plain. I prefer to start with the white or cream-colored scrap paper. So I'm dampening it with the liquid starch and then pressing it directly on and around the wooden skewer. Next, I'm going to add a colorful paper scrap and just slightly dampen it and press that all the way around. Just like this. And you can continue to make these one after another and in different shapes and sizes. Now I do want to remove it from the skewer, and that's what I'm doing here. And I'll be setting it aside so that it can dry a little bit while I work on some more. Let's keep going. How about trying out some metallic tissue paper, like this metallic gold? It's like an antique color. It will absorb the liquid, not as much as the regular tissue paper, but enough that we'll be able to have it stick very nicely. And I'm dabbing on extra liquid starch. And you can add a design on top of that, like I'm doing here with this green tissue little stencil cutout. Just like that. And of course, we remove it and put it aside as well. I'm going to soften up this to turn it into a little bit of pulp. Now it'll be nice and soft and easy to shape. I decided to add some plain green tissue paper. Let's keep going. This tissue paper is quite thin, so I'm going to add several pieces. I like to save my small pieces of paper, no matter how tattered and torn they are, because I will usually find a good use for it. There's so many possibilities, and it's fun to explore them. Rest assured, if I were using glue right now, I wouldn't be able to do this without having to stop to wash my hands. But you don't have to with liquid starch. Now on top of that, I'm adding this patterned piece where I had painted some purple and then some gold paint designs on there. And I'm just wrapping it around. The whole process is about exploring and having fun with the different papers, colors, textures, different patterns. And as for me, it is so relaxing and it helps me pass the time. Now this one's ready to set aside with the others to dry. Now on this one, I'm using only the tissue paper itself. And once again, it's the metallic antique gold. And it's the same process. I wrinkle the paper, dip it into the liquid starch, and begin to wrap it around the little skewer. You may be wondering why I enjoy making so many beads. Well, I use them for many of my Masquerade projects and even my figurines, and they're great for costume accessories. You can do all kinds of things with beads, and it's so much fun to make them out of papier mâché. And here we have it. Now, these are just a few examples. Of course, I want you to try different types of paper and explore the possibilities. The good thing is, now once these dry, you can go back and add on or fix any flaws. So here they are. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to learn more about my bead making and making the liquid starch, please visit my playlists. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you love bead making, please check out the link to Created by Renee. It'll also be in the description. She is terrific at bead making, among other things. I hope you've enjoyed this mini tutorial on bead making. Thanks to all of my friends here, my viewers, my subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for also being here with us. You can learn more about liquid starch by visiting the playlist on the screen. I hope you'll give these a try. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.